my next video, I'd like to do one on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's flagship phone and their new software update for the month of July. And as you can see, this is the update screen that I received. This was a couple days ago, actually, of the filming of this. I'm a little tardy because I had some power outage problems and tornadoes go through. But anyway, I'm going to read this to you, then I'll show you how to get your update. So this is the update for the S24 Ultra, and it's primarily a security patch. So the security device is protected with improved security. After updating, you will not be able to downgrade to the old version. A software update can include, but it's not limited to, device stability improvements, bugs fixes, new and/or enhanced features, further improvements. This is not the update that everyone is expecting. We're, as S24 Ultra users, expecting an update to do some new camera stuff. This is primarily, from what I've seen and used, is just security updates and some major security updates, critical security updates, but still just primarily security updates. And as you can see, update information, One UI version 6.1, so that didn't change. Android version didn't change. The size is half a gig, so 450 megs, pretty big size actually. Security patch brings it up to July. And if you didn't know, we get one of these as S24 users. We get a security patch every month, which is kind of neat because some months they throw in some new features. Again, just so happens this one, I don't believe there's anything new, just security patches. So what you want to make sure is just the last 4 of the version. You want AXFC, and the way to check that is we can go into our settings, scroll down, software update, download and install, and this is how you get the update. But as you can see, I've already updated, so I have the most current version, AXFC. So if your phone doesn't say that, you need to go and grab the update and make sure you're up to date. Then I will also do this one. I go to the Samsung store, not the Play Store, the Samsung store, and then I always check that for updates. So we go to menu, updates, and I'm all up to date on all my Samsung apps. But sometimes, you know, I might have got an update here. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure I got something, but I didn't record it. It wasn't really important. So, but I always do that afterwards to make sure that everything is up to date. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my video. And until next time, I'm out.